Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today something very nice. We're going to make moussaka. It's Greek dish. It's very nice. It's, I can say, easy to make. It's a little bit longer process, but I recommend you. It's very nice. We have two steps. We have to fry the potatoes and aubergine, make ragu and bechamel. I'm starting from the fry. I need some aubergine. Aubergine I cut already. I put some salt and you know, you have to cut something like this, guys. You know, I put some salt here and I put this like that. Some weight on like this because the aubergine they like sponge. I want the liquid go out. And the potatoes I cut already. Just don't be long, just like this, you know. And we're gonna fry. The oil is already on, and we start. I show you. I'm start with the potatoes in. This is the most longer stuff, okay? Now the potato they're gonna fry. Important you have all elements ready because after the fry, I'm gonna clean all the mess. I'm going to make the bechamel. It's easy to make bechamel, and after the bechamel we make the ragu. It's gonna take a little bit long. I think in a couple hours you finish this, and later we finish in the oven. But anyway, I'm now frying the potatoes. When they're ready, I show you how we're gonna cook it, and we carry on. Okay? Okay, guys. When the potatoes is like go like this, you know, they okay. Take it out, because don't forget this one we're gonna cook for other 40 minutes at least in the oven, okay? Do all your potatoes like that. They basically everything gonna be ready and cooked for the oven. Okay, now do all your potatoes and later when we start aubergine I show you the aubergine, okay? But anyway, if this is the version the way to make this moussaka. But if you want light version, you can do potatoes and aubergine in the oven, you know. But this is the must. Good. Okay, see you later. Okay, guys, the potatoes they're ready, and we put on side. Now is the aubergine time. Gonna be the same stuff. You know, we put in careful ways. Anyway, now I put it on. And when they're ready, I show you. Hey guys, always if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe to the channel, check our website www.cookwithanitalian.com. Okay, ciao, see you later when I show you this. Okay guys, the aubergine, they're gonna be like that, in this, just because don't forget, we're gonna put this again in the oven. Another thing, I cook this for me, for my family. We are 3, but if you want bigger, you of course you have to do more potatoes, more aubergine, and more bechamel, and more everything. You know, this is for, I can say, 4 nice portions. Okay, I will see you later when all aubergine they done. Okay, guys, the aubergine and the potatoes they ready. For me here, I use 5 medium aubergine and 4 potatoes because we need 1 layer, the bottom one potatoes, and 2 layers of aubergine. Now I clean all this mess and we make ready everything to prepare ragu with mince and the bechamel. Okay? Soon gonna be everything ready. See you soon. Okay guys, now it's time to make a bechamel. I use 120 grams of butter, almost a liter of milk, 20 grams of Parmesan, some nutmeg, 100 grams of flour, 3 yolks of eggs, and save the white because we're gonna need later for meat. For make bechamel, everybody, some salt, everybody do some different way, but first we have the butter, not too strong to be honest. When the butter starts melt like that, it's time to add the flour, and now we stir all the way to make a paste, you know, like that. You toast it a little bit. Now everything is inside, you know, and we start with milk. And that's it. The work here is just you can put all later. I don't know how much you need, but and now we leave this spoon, good one, whisks. I don't know in English, but you use this and continue all the time until it don't come in like dense. I show you later, okay? Okay, guys, bechamel continue to cook. I add some a pinch of salt and nutmeg. Now it's time to put the meat on. A nice, it's normal ragu, you know. I have one onion chopped. When the onion is ready, we add the meat. I have here. The mince beef is 70% beef, 30% is 1 kilo. 300 gram pork, 700 gram beef. I like that, but you can do just beef. Okay, see you soon when everything starts to go in the right way. Okay, guys, the bechamel is almost is ready. The onion is ready. We add the meat now, and we're gonna cook the meat around 15-20 minutes. And later we add a very nice glass of wine and the normal ragu. The bechamel, when it's ready, just leave there to cool down, because this already, you see, a little bit more. Check always salt and nutmeg is ready. And take care of the meat now, okay? See you later when it's the time to add the wine in the meat, okay? Guys, the bechamel, look, is very nice and smooth. Now we cook a little bit more and later we're gonna cool down. Now the meat, when it's like that, guys, we add the wine, a nice glass of wine, and now is here. After this, we add this wine and a stick of cinnamon inside, okay? In the end, we're gonna take it out. Now, when all the wine is absorbed, when everything, we add the tomato paste and the tomato passata. And we cook around 20 minutes. The job is done. Okay? See you soon. Now the bechamel is ready. I turn it out and we leave it to cool down. Okay? Guys, when the bechamel is like that, I add the 3 yolks and 20 grams of Parmesan. Mix everything nice and leave it to cool down. Okay? And see you later when we add the tomato on the meat, on the ragu. The wine is absorbed everything. It's moment to adjust some salt, pepper. Later on the way, always check. I like some cinnamon on the top here, and we mix everything. And tomato paste is 2 nice tablespoons. Mix everything, and soon we add the passata. I use half liter. Later I told you the pan, because it's gonna be not too wet, gonna be quite dry. Okay, this gonna cook around 20-25 minutes is ready, because we put again in the oven another half an hour. Okay, just check salt and pepper always, and 20-25 minutes we build the moussaka. Okay, see you later. The meat is ready. The meat. Now this you take it out. Now you remember the white, the 3 eggs we put inside here, and we mix everything, because this one gonna work like glue. Or if you like, you can put some bechamel inside. Very good. Now we're going to build the moussaka. Okay, doke. Take your tray, your dish, go in the oven. The oven gonna be 180 for 35-40 minutes, not more. Okay? Okay, this is done. And now I show you how easy it is. Put a little touch of oil on the bottom. Well, I always sorry for my accent, but chamaffa. Now, first layer potatoes. Okay? Like this. Try to cover all the tray. Do that. After this, we're going to put some aubergine, okay? I show you soon. First layer is potato. Now, the same way aubergine, just like that, guys. We don't want to be precise, something like that. When you do that, I show you next step, okay? Guys, the layer of aubergine is done. Now, it's the time to put some meat to a nice layer. Leave the space. We're gonna put the bechamel on the top, okay? See you when it's ready, this layer, okay? Okay guys, the meat is on. Now the last one with aubergine. And later is the bechamel. See you later. Okay guys, the last layer, the aubergine is ready. Now bechamel. Try to expand everywhere. And on the top of this bechamel, we have to add some Parmesan. Okay, more. Okay, I'll show you soon how we finish. Bechamel is on. Now we add some Parmesan on the top and go straight away in the oven under the 80 degree around 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, see you in 35-40 minutes. Okay. Guys, it's 45 minutes out from the oven. I cook it for half an hour and the 80 degrees. Look how beautiful it is. Oh, yeah. Very, very nice. Now we try it. Still warm. Wow. Guys, oh wow. I don't expect it. Nice like that. Guys, absolutely delicious. Well done, Piero. It's another masterpiece. It's absolutely delicious. A lot of work here, but very nice. Guys, the moussaka is this. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.